Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 4, that is addition and subtraction. Addition is over in the last class and today we will start subtraction. So subtraction we know because we have learned in class 3 also. Yes or no? Okay. So before we going to start, let's see the terms used in subtraction. So the upper number is called minuend. Okay, the upper number is known as minuend, and the down number which we have to do subtract, that is known as subtrahend. What it's not? But it's not subtrahend. Okay, and the answer what we will get, that answer is known as difference. Clear? In minus, the upper number is known as minuend and the bottom number is known as subtrahend, and the answer what we will get, that is our differences. Clear? That is our differences. So in class 4 we will discuss how to do subtraction with 5 digit and 6 digit number, with borrowing and without borrowing. Borrowing means we have to borrow from the next number if the subtrahend is bigger than minuend. Clear? So let's see. So what is this? 2. And what is this? This is 9. So we cannot cut 2, we cannot cut 9 from 2. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow. We have to borrow from where? From this tens. So it will become 12 and this 5 will become 4. So 12 minus 9 is how much? 3. So 4 minus 6 we can do? No. Why? Because 4 is smaller than 6. So we have to borrow from 3. So 14 and here 2. So 14 minus 6 is how much? What? 8. Yes. Then 2 minus 8 we can do? No, because 2 is smaller than 8. So again we have to borrow from here. Clear? So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 6 minus 1. Don't see this 7. Why? Because we are taking borrow from this 7 and after taking 1 from this 7, what is left here? 6. So now 6 minus 1, that is 5. Did you take any borrow from 8? No. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So our differences is what? 55,483. Clear, student? Clear or not? With borrowing. Borrowing means we have to borrow if the minuend is smaller than subtrahend. Clear? Okay. So let's take subtraction of 6 digit numbers without borrowing and with borrowing. Without borrowing means here the minuend is greater than subtrahend. Clear? The minuend is greater here and subtrahend is smaller. So no need to take borrow here. So 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 9 minus 1, 8, 3 minus 0, 0, 3. 3. Then 4 here, 6. Done. This is our differences. Whenever we are doing subtraction, the answer is known as differences. Clear? Here, without borrowing. Why? Because minuend is smaller than subtrahend. That is why we have to take borrow. So see here, we can do minus 1, 3 from 1. We can do? No. So we have to borrow from 6. So borrow it and borrow from 6 and cut your 6 and write it what is left here. If you are taking 1 from 6, then 5. So 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. 5 minus 7 we can do? No. So again we have to borrow 1 and here 3. So 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. Then 3 minus 5 we can do? No. We have to borrow from here. So 13 minus 5? 8. Clear? So 2 minus 6 we can do? No. Again we have to borrow from here. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And here 4. Again we have to take why? Because 4 is smaller than 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. Clear? So this is our differences. Clear, student? Minuend is smaller, then means we have to take borrow. If minuend is greater than subtrahend, that means no need to take borrow. Clear? So let's start our exercise 2C. Question number 1, solve the following. So question number 1A is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So lakh, 10,000, 1,000, then 100, 10 and ones. Write it your place value chart and plot the number according to the place value chart. 8, 2, 3, 9, 1, 0 minus this 0. We will write here. Huh? No, this is wrong way to write because only one number is there and that is on which place? Ones place. So your 0 should be here. So now 0 minus 0 is 0. This 1 will remain same because no number is there. 9 will remain same because no number is there. 3 will remain same. 2 will remain same and 8 will remain same. So this is your difference. Clear? How to write? First you write your place value chart. Here also. 6 digit. Lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 0, 0, 0. Minus. So 8 minus 0 is how much? 8. 7 minus 0 is how much? 7. 8 minus 0 is 8. Then 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. 8 and 7. Done? Now see. Question number 3. C. Here also lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So 7, 5, 4, 9, 3, 6. And here how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 8, 0, 3. So start doing. Minus. So 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. And 7 will remain 7. So this is our answer. Clear, student? Okay. So let's do question number D also. So question number D. So 6 digits is there. So write your place value chart. Lakh, 10,000, 1,000, then 100, tens and ones. Write your number 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And count it here. How many numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means from 10,000. 5, 7, 2, 6, 3. So here minuend is smaller and the subtrahend is bigger. So what we have to do? Borrow. What we have to do? Borrow. So borrow. From where we will borrow? Here 0, here also 0, here also 0, here also 0. And this is 1. So you borrow from here. 1. Again you borrow from here. This will become 9 and this will become 10. Again you borrow from here. So this is 9 and this is 10. Again from here 9, 10. Again from here 10 and 9. So 10 minus 3 is how much? 7. 9 minus 6 is how much? How much? 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. So this is already over. Why? Because we have borrowed. So what is left at 0. So your answer is clear how to do. If we cannot borrow from here, then we have to borrow from here. If we cannot from here, so we have to see the number. We can borrow from 0. No. We can borrow from this 1. Clear na? Okay. So practice it. Thank you everyone.